Okay.
Okay, unboxing Lenovo Smart Display.
Oh, look at it's padded. Wow, this
This
must
must
be
a speaker.
must be rich.
What? First I thought that was bent.
I know.
Why is it like that? So it,
And-
what'd you say? So it could.
So what is this like?
Oh, it's like an easel.
Oh, it's a nice foam.
Yeah, it's just
This is the box it came in,
so protected.
and then it was inside of another box.
right.
Can you show the back of it?
It's-
Oh, interesting. A nice triangle like holds it up,
Bamboo.
I think.
And here is the plug-in for it.
Can I just get the...
It's like a triangle.
Yeah. And it did come boxed quite well, sturdy for shipping, and then in another UPS
Very
box.
Look at this. It's big on here. It's
So
like
that's
made,
unboxing the Lenovo Smart Display.
it's like made for